Question 2. Case 2. When the original condition gives you equations directly, you should focus on the question. This question is simple because the equations are given directly. However, this is not always the case. Example 2. If A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 10, E equals what? Condition 1. A plus B plus C plus D equals 5. Condition 2. A equals 2. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. The first step of the variable approach. Modify the original condition and question to suit the type of information given in the conditions. This is a priority and the most important step. The first step alone gives us a 30% chance of answering the question correctly. Case 2. When the original condition gives you equations directly, you should focus on the question. We have to find the value of E if A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 10. It is always important to check what the question is asking for. The original condition tells us the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 10, but asks for the value of E. To know the value of E, we need to know the value of A plus B plus C plus D, as E equals 10 minus A plus B plus C plus D. So, we are looking at the equations in both the original condition and the two conditions. This was the first step in which we had to change the original condition into variables and an equation. So let's look at condition 1, which tells us that A plus B plus C plus D equals 5. Substituting this in the original condition, we get E equals 10 minus 5, which equals 5, or E equals 5. The answer is unique, so the condition is sufficient by CMT2. Which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that A equals 2. We still do not know the unique value of A plus B plus C plus D. So, the condition is not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 1 alone is sufficient, so A is the correct answer. As shown above, in case 2, the original condition gives you equations directly, so you should focus on the question. In about 30% of cases, modifying the original condition by the first step of the variable approach will get you to the correct answer. Modification is always the first step. In recent exams, more and more questions could be solved strictly by using the modification step. Answer A.